is Mumbai, where two more bodies have been located under the debris at the site of a giant hoarding collapse in Ghatkopar as the search and rescue operations continue. Now, the total number of dead people so far has reached 16. Bodies have been identified as Manoj Chansoria and Anita Chansoria, a couple who were actually refueling their car at the petrol pump when this massive illegal billboard collapsed on them. Meanwhile, the BMC chief visited the crash site just a short while ago and said that while rescue work is over, the clearance work is still carrying on. He also asserted that notices are being sent to all illegal hoarding owners. Listen in to what the chief had to say.
पेट्रोल पंप को लेके क्या कहना चाहेंगे? जो पेट्रोल पंप का स्ट्रक्चर था वो कैसा था? क्या
पेट्रोल पंप के स्ट्रक्चर को कंस्ट्रक्शन एनओसी महापालिका ने दी हुई थी. इट वाज एज पर द स्पेसिफिकेशन. हाउएवर उसको एक्चुअल पेट्रोल पंप चलाने का लाइसेंस दिया गया था कि नहीं वो हम अभी चेक कर रहे हैं. वो आप चेक करके उस पर नियमानुसार जो कार्रवाई होगी की जाएगी.
Bhushan sir, this was a very tragic incident which happened, and sir, just one question. Was permission taken by the petrol pump owners to place the petrol pump?
As per our information, the permission was taken for the construction of the petrol pump. However, once the provisional permission is given, there is another permission which is called trading permission as per the license. So whether it was taken or not, that we are verifying and taking appropriate action.
Sir, what action we are taking on the billboard owners and what
FIR register किया हुआ है?
नहीं सर, बाकी billboards पे मुंबई पे है. Bhushan Gangnani was with us, and continuously we are seeing that NDRF team are working, fire brigade teams are working, and BMC team are working on it. Unfortunately, in this incident, 16 lives were lost, and now the whole thing is over now over here. The rescue operation has been declared over by BMC commissioner, but still there is a pillar which you can see which fallen on the petrol pump. Still they are trying to remove that. It is a bit risky to remove it, so that's why they are taking every precautionary measures. You can see the bulldozers and cranes over here. They are trying to pull this pillar, this structure, the steel structure off from here. You can see the situation, how this big large hoarding which has fallen on truck, and you look at the situation, there are many cars which is smashed. You can see the visuals over here. This is a very difficult situation. NDRF and fire brigade are working tirelessly over here. They are trying to save every life, but right now the big news is that BMC commissioner has declared the rescue operation over.
Right, two more bodies have been located under the debris at the site of this giant hoarding collapse in Mumbai's Ghatkopar area. But from non-payment of license fee to tree damage and lack of required permissions for more than a year, in fact, civic authorities in Mumbai, they have actually red-marked this giant billboard that collapsed on Monday evening. Records that were investigated, they show that no action was taken during this period other than 3 notices being issued. The first notice, we must mention, was issued in 2023, in March to be precise, over the license fee. The second notice was actually issued on the 2nd of May. This was over the damage to trees. And as far as the third notice is concerned, it was issued on the 13th of May, the day the structure collapsed due to heavy winds, about unauthorized advertisement panels.